Hi there, students. Embrocation. An embrocation. Um, you've even got the verb to embrocate. An embrocation is the same as liniment or a heat rub. Embrocation is something that you rub onto your skin, and it has various different formulas inside it. Very often it's made from alcohol or acetone and contains some sort of aromatic compound like menthol or capsaicin or benzoin resin or methyl salicylate, and these produce a warm feeling with the muscle area, and act as perhaps a counter irritant. So if you've got an ache in the back, maybe you could get somebody to rub some liniment on your back. Okay, so liniments have been around for a very long time. Embrocation has been around. Okay, and so an embrocation, it's a liquid or a lotion to rub on part of your body to make it feel better. Normally something that reduces pain or it reduces stiffness in the muscles. And you can still buy various embrocations today. In the past, they used to sell quite a lot of horse embrocation as well. And these are all meant for stiff muscles to reduce pain and for horses to cool the horse down quickly, particularly after a race or something like that. Let's see, there have been notable liniments, notable embrocations. For example, ABC liniment, which to me is quite amazing. It's ABC because its three ingredients are aconite, belladonna, and chloroform, and all three are very poisonous plants. And a lot of people have died from that. Okay, so mentholum ointment or deep heat, yeah, is still produced today. Yeah, if you've got a painful shoulder, you could rub an embrocation of deep heat onto it. Very often an embrocation might have camphor or something like that as well inside it. Okay, so embrocation, a liquid for rubbing onto your body to relieve pain. Maybe if you've got twists or pains or strains, it's some sort of ointment. It could be the consistency of a liquid, or it could be something that is thicker and greasier. Yeah, it's some sort of lotion or cream. Yeah, and embrocation, something to apply to the skin as a counter irritant or to make you feel better. And then the verb to embrocate, to rub embrocation into your body. I think perhaps embrocation is used much less now than it used to be. So, what about some formality for this phrase? Embrocation. I think probably liniment is a fairly old word. I think embrocation's a little bit old as well. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you use it anywhere. It is what it is. It comes from medieval Latin, embrocatus, embrocare, from ancient Greek, embroche, a lotion or a formula, some sort of formula. Okay, so I don't know if you know, they normally these have got a smell of alcohol and you rub it on a muscle or something like that. That's the idea of an embrocation or a liniment. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Embrocation or liniment.